Hello guys, good morning. This is your Misty Home Cooking. We are cooking a beef soup today. Beef soup with a bunch of vegetables. I'm just gonna weigh the beef that I have over here. It's actually 2.5 pounds. So we're just gonna season it. We're gonna put some Worcestershire oh my god, Worcestershire sauce. Alright, I'm going to put half a cup of it. We're gonna let it soak here for a couple of minutes, and let me get the rest of the ingredients. We're going to put a black pepper, 1 teaspoon. You know what? Let's make it 2 teaspoons, okay? Because it's gonna be soup. It's gonna be a lot of veggies and liquid, so it should not be that spicy. And any bouillon that you favorite brand, 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna mix it. Okay guys, we're gonna mix all the seasoning. Make sure it's well blended, and pretty much we're just gonna let it sit for 20 to half an hour. And also I already chopped all our veggies. For our vegetable, for our beef soup, we have mushroom, carrots, celery, and potatoes. And of course we have bell pepper and onions. Alright guys. Let's put all of this beef in here. So basically guys, we just put our beef in a pot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna brown this one, and I'm probably gonna take maybe about a couple of minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. So let it brown. First off, the water will come. Well, we put Worcestershire, so there's a liquid in our meat. So basically just reduce that and caramelize it a little bit, brown it. Start putting our veggie. Alright guys, our meat is sizzling right now. We're gonna put salt, flavor the meat. We need some salt. It's about 1 teaspoon. You can always adjust it later. So the liquid has been evaporated, so we're gonna put our vegetable, the hardest vegetable first, which is the carrot and the celery. Mix it. And then we're gonna put the onions too. We're gonna leave the tomato, potatoes and bell pepper at the end. We're gonna add that later. Okay. Let it cook a little bit, couple of minutes, and we're gonna put some liquid in it. Or if you have a beef stock, go ahead and put a beef stock, but I do not have. We put beef bouillon anyway, so we're just gonna put the regular water. So we're gonna add water or stock if you have, to just pretty much cover the meat. We're gonna cover it and give it actually let it boil until the meat gets tender, and then we're gonna put the bell pepper and the potatoes. sauce is about 50-50. So we're gonna add the bell pepper and a bunch of mushroom. Uh-oh. It gets wilted. It's beef vegetables. Yeah, so we're just gonna let it cook down. Cover it. Let's give it a, I give it about 10 minutes. So that's about ready to eat or serve after that. So it's in a medium temperature, so let it simmer.